Welcome to the vlog. That's what we had to do. Pool float. Starbucks. First stop. Welcome to the vlog.
We made it after last night.
Yeah. We rocked out.
We rocked out.
Hey guys.
Hi.
So we had the baby shower. Yes, I'm gonna feed him. So we had the baby shower. I didn't vlog it because I just chose not to. But it was a good baby shower. And now we're gonna eat at Cookout. Big one coming?
We'll get an edge of it.
Knock my chickens down. My hair.
Geese ain't moving, man. Too.
Big ones.
Get in.
Nobody. Welcome to the vlog.
Hi guys.
I gotta remember to empty this because I have to keep deleting footage because it's full. But yesterday we had a concert hangover, and today
We have a baby shower hangover.
we have a baby shower hangover. So we're going to get coffee. And then we're gonna go out to eat with Papa and Uncle Ryan for Sunday. And then we'll have to decide on if we're doing Sunday dinner, because we always do Sunday dinner. I think I've only missed like once.
It's been every time I've been here. I feel like I've been here a lot recently.
I don't think I've ever missed one, quite honestly. The only time I ever missed was when we were away, like on vacation or whatever. But anyway. All the same. Do you want the same? Yes, please. Yes, please. Hey. How is your Starbucks? Compliments to the chef.
Compliments to the chef. It's really good. It's really good. And I told that girl, I was like, "This is perfect. Thank you so much." And she just stared at me. I was like,
Yeah. It's really good.
Thank you."
Maybe
okay,
they're
I'm just gonna walk away now.
maybe they're not used to hearing
They're
it.
probably not. That's so sad. Okay, cool. Hi, how are you? Good, thank you. So this is cool compared to Florida.
What do you get?
I get a hamburger, cheeseburger. I get the cheeseburger.
That's what Daniel's gonna get. Cheeseburger.
No, we share the Alfonso. No, we share the Alfonso. How was your dinner?
It was so good.
It was so good.
So good.
So good.
Pam is an amazing cook.
Look at that mosquito bite on the side of her head.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.